Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is Alyssa. Hi, Alyssa. This is Alyssa by TressAllure, and this is in the color Mocha Gold. Haha, yes indeedy. So let me go ahead and put this on, but before I do, I want to talk a little bit about its similarity to a Noriko wig named Miranda. Actually, that's an Amore wig, same diff. They're owned by the same company, but the style is very similar. It's very long, layered, gradually gets thinned out as she gets towards the bottoms. And since it's off my head, I want to show you. She's got open wefts on the side and in the back. She's got a single layer of monofilament on top with a beautiful contoured lace front that is pre-cut. Goes from like here to here basically. And there isn't, as far as I know, permatease, though I will go hunting for it. Let me see. No permatease on this one. Lots of layering, gradually thins as you get towards the bottoms. This one is a lace front. Miranda by Amore does not. So if you're torn between the two, that's really the biggest difference. This Alyssa does not have a double monofilament top. She's got a single monofilament top and a lace front. And Miranda has a double monofilament top, no lace front. The styles are almost identical though. Long, layered, very layered shag. Look how it gets kind of thinned as she goes down here. The fibers are very matte in finish. They remind me of John Renault's hair. So make sure you gradually comb it throughout the day with your fingers to make sure she doesn't tangle. She can give you a lot of body up here because she's got all of this layering. It gives you all of this gorgeous texture. This is some major potential for bed head, especially if you get some contour cream or some synthetic safe styling product, say that 10 times fast, and you can really piece out these layers with your fingers a little bit. I love the front on this. Here's that lace front. I really like this style. I like these longer shags. Miranda looks kind of killer on me too, just saying. I don't know why, it's just my face does really well with these sorts of cuts. And they give you this luscious frame with all this layering. So let me go ahead and do a 360 so I can show you what Alyssa looks like on all sides. This is a great, classic, long, layered style. She does have a lot of volume on top, but that's not permatease, as I mentioned earlier. It's all courtesy of this gorgeous layering. So that's Alyssa from TressAllure. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Hopefully, I'm helping introduce you to your next new style. If it's not this one, keep watching videos. You're bound to find them. I'm going to try to review basically everything I can think of reviewing, so that way you can become an informed consumer and make the best choice when you're shopping for name brand wigs online. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great night. Bye-bye. Oh, and make sure you're subscribed. Bye, everybody.